Hello my dear friends, I'm Anna Abramova and I'm so happy to present to you my new classes and new workshop. I'm inviting you to get a new experience of new possibility for humanity to restore our life, to launch new processes of biological restoration, to launch new processes of inner rebirth process, to be spiritually and mentally reborn within. All scriptures tells us the story that one day humanity will be reborn. For so many years the teachers, higher realms teachers, channel me this information that I'm ready to share with you and bring such amazing changes into your life. Closer to my 50 years birthday, I start to understand that I'm entering the second part of my life and everything will be changed, absolutely everything. What I'm doing, how I interact with outer world, and these changes and these inner wishes just push me to share this unique information with humanity, because strongly I believe and I'm using this information and I can feel it, how big changes happen to my personal life and to my body. I want to tell you that old mind matrix that tells us that we have only certain amount of energy power for our life, and then when we begin aging, there is only way to support our life. It's hard exercise support process for our biological body, but in reality there is a real fork, whereas we can choose a restoration process. Yes, it's a restoration process that will help you to experience, use within, update your mind, update your self-perception, update your life goals, update energy resources, what you are using in terms to be healthy, to be happy, to proceed with your life dreams. It's an amazing experience. What you required for my classes: to be open mentally and use your intellect. You will need to be open spiritually and let your feelings of true self be presented. And other requirement is your heart. You need to have an open heart to love yourself, to love others. You need to be able to look at the humanity with new perception, that we will be able to resolve all conflict situations on the planet by changing our life perception, who we are, by launching personal life restoration. You cannot fix local problem or local sicknesses within yourself if you're not changing life perception, vision to the humanity as well. So this is the requirements. You need to be ready to be changed holistically in your body, in your life perception, in your heart, and even your dreams and perception of your destiny will be changed in order to connect with your full potential of your spiritual presence in this body. You will be able to see your inner universe, because we live in interferences with the outer universe, with people around us, but there is whole unique world that we need to experience as the inner universe. So this life-changing experience, this changing of self-perception will free up so much energy that will help you to launch restoration processes of your body, of your mind, of your life wellness. And I can see how these changes work in my life. 50 years, it's only beginning right now for me. 50 years old, it's just the beginning of second round of my life. I used already all my power and energy that has been given to me by birth, and now I'm launching new engine which runs on a spiritual and intellectual energy to run the second round of my life at the same fulfillment as it has been happened on the first part of the life. This is the key knowledge that I'm gonna share with you. I will show you through the microbiology, cosmic energies, and quantum physics, how we can connect everything in a holistic knowledge, how we go through such a mental exercises and physical exercises to support our inner transformation. You can ask, why do I need these classes? Why I can just read and learn about these changes and restoration processes? The answer is simple. You need experience. I will help you during my workshop and classes experience how to shade all your life perception and figure out, discover who you are in potential of your full truth, who you are as a spiritual intellectual being. What is your destiny? What is our society and humanity? We cannot fix just ourselves living in bad social environment. We have to look at all transformation holistically. These things we can achieve only in a group work. When I lead you through this experience, I promise you will not be left alone at all after my workshop or classes. I created internet portal for you, my website. Actually, don't judge me. This is my baby and I created with my own hands. This is my really first website that I created for the public. Also, I have a Telegram channel with the same name, Luxury Mentality. Website luxurymentality.com, Telegram channel Luxury Mentality. Why luxury? Because without luxury in our mind, without luxury perception of life which full of resources, abundant life, we cannot create the changes. Stay with me and you will learn a lot. I promise. You will start absolutely new journey. Today, life gave us opportunity for a new beginning. The possibility is there, but not many people can execute it. Not only for themselves, it's for global humanity transformation. What else I want to tell you? Imagine yourself that you are the tree in the woods and you live only first year of your life. You was born during the summer. When we get born, our body programmed to run hard, create the engine for body development, for our consciousness development, for our experiences be expanded, right? At the age 25, our life gets running on inertia. But we still have a power. It's the autumn. So we was born in the summer, then it's autumn. And closer to the aging process, we feel ourselves as a winter time. This first year, so basically we got the energy boost by birth, right? And we travel through the life to our winter and we have no idea there is spring. The scriptures saying there is the spring, but how to ignite? Where is that sun that will help us to bloom? Physical sun doesn't work for such a blooming. We have to ignite something within ourselves. We have to feel our inner universe, and we have to find the amazing energy resource. Not many people know about that. Thunder. So, this is what I'm gonna teach you. This is what I will help you to understand. This kind of energy source we will try to reach. And again, you will not be left alone at all. There is internet resources to contact me, and there is many information will be provided for your development. Again, I'm Anna Abramova, and I'm so happy to share my knowledge, to share my experience. Again, I will not teach you anything what I just read from other teachers. All knowledge that I'm using now, I start to believe into myself, and I felt much more powerful. All information has been given to me through the channeling, through the revelations, and it's time for me to share with the humanity. I hope I will see you in my classes, and we will grow into amazing, beautiful, self-developed community. See you.